This is part 2 to the Atlas Apps medical device tracker using the Griffin technology OLLI sled. We talked in the first video about registration from the application to secure the user base. You simply go to the registration page, type in your name, first and last, and your email. After that's submitted, you receive a thank you message that your login and password will be sent to you via email. When that's submitted from the application, it simply hits our back-end database requesting simply a first name, last name, an email address, and we can create a login ID and a password for that user. So in this scenario, we'll create login ID 2123, and the password will be the user's last name, in this case Thomas, and we can move them from our pending list down to our approved list simply by clicking approved. Now this user gets moved down. If for any reason an employee is no longer with the company, you can simply click disable and they're no longer part of the corporation. There's no way that they can access the application. Also on the back end is input of catalog numbers and lot numbers and descriptions of products. These can be imported from XML files, HTML files, whatever file method needed. We can submit many in at one time, or they can be put in individually with a number, with a lot number, and a description. You simply hit, and a price, you simply hit save, and it puts it into the file. After your database is built, you have the ability to look at every item that's in your inventory. So you can go by item number that we just put in, lot number, and description. You can see who owns that product, if it's owned by the warehouse or by any other representatives. You can also see the location in which it's housed underneath those representatives and the quantity associated with it. So for example, this item on the top line, item 527246, this lot number, this description, this price is located with this owner at the warehouse, and the location is warehouse 1. If you look further down the line, some of these have other sublocations. To identify a sublocation is very simple. You put in a description of the location, so it could be a sales representative. Let's say John Smith is the description, and the address could be Porter Hospital, Denver, Colorado, operating room. You save that down and it goes into an existing location, which then repopulates our prior database. So there's real-time visualization of every product from the manufacturer down to whether it's consigned or whether it's in the physical possession of a representative. This system is complete, authenticated, and is based on rules. Thank you.